Hello lovely guys, this is Kai of Men's Cooking. Today I'm gonna show you japchae. Japchae is a very famous Korean food in the world. Japchae is the food, the stir fry, various vegetable and mix it with glass noodle. It is a favorite food not only Korean but also for foreigners with a little likes or dislikes. Also, I prepare not original japchae recipe because when I worked in London, there was Korean fusion food, very famous in near Soho. So japchae is signature food in there. So all the people like this japchae, this style. I prepare the new recipe. This is a not original recipe. Okay, I'm gonna show you grilled prawn japchae. Okay, let's do this. 즐겁게 요리하세요. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna make some sauce. I put in the soy sauce. This soy sauce is from Korea, jinganjang, and sesame oil, 1.5. 3 spoons, and sugar, 1 spoon, a little bit salt, and pepper. Okay, done. In the water, just a little bit. Yes, boiling water, boiling right now. So I just put the grass noodle, 100 gram. Just put it. 1 or 2 minutes. The boiling, and then we're gonna wash it cold water. In my case, when I prepare the ingredients, I just put the grass noodle, I put in the water for 10 or 15 minutes, and then I just put the boiling hot water, and then put in the empty bowl. You have to put a little bit oil, and then we're gonna cut the vegetable, button mushroom, onion slice, carrot, okay, a little bit oil, two, 4, 6, a little bit salt, pepper. You just cook the 50% because we have to cook with the noodle and other ingredients. So you just make the color. I think just 1 minute. That's all. And then you just put the minced garlic, carrot, red and yellow pepper, and mushroom and onion. And I just put a little bit oil. And then you just put the grass noodle, right? And then the soy sauce, japchae sauce. Lastly, you just put the grilled prawn. You just put the sesame. Okay, finish. Okay guys, done, well done. So it looks like the japchae, right? The super special japchae. And you don't want, right? I just eat the japchae like that. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mamma mia, such a nice flavor. When you cook the japchae with the beef and pork, it will change the flavor. I just put the grilled prawn, right? You can taste the prawn flavor. But if you put the beef and pork and any other main dishes, main ingredients, you can enjoy other style japchae. Very nice. I love it. I love japchae. Okay guys, we made the japchae today. Next time I prepare the more exciting Korean food. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.